Hello, everyone. Lance here inside CEI Bookstore and Truth Publications. I want to do a little tutorial video for you as our customers, especially at truthbooks.com, regarding the purchase of digital products and how you access your files, download your files, and what that will look like as you work through that process. So I'm going to share my screen and walk you through this, and hopefully this will be beneficial for everybody. Give me just a moment here. Okay, so on the screen is our website, truthbooks.com. This is what you would see on your side as you're ordering from us and working through it. And I'm just going to go through a digital order so that you can see what that will look like. You might have noticed that we do feature our digital products in many cases on our website, and we often feature it in our email blast as well. And there's ways for you to order those directly from the website, super easy. And I'm going to walk you through that now. If you go to class and study materials in the drop down under Truth Publications, you'll see digital products right here. So you can directly go into it. We filter it on the left-hand side by class use digital products and personal use. That can kind of clean it up and make it easier. The class use digital products are intended for you to be able to use for a class. And so if you had 50 people in a class and you wanted to buy a PDF product that gave you the license to share it with all 50 people, this would be what you do. We do limit these to 100 as far as a class quantity. If you need something larger, then you need to contact us and let us know what you need, and we'll cater the purchase of that to your specific class size. If your class size is very, very small, feel free to reach out to us as well, and we'll see what we can do to accommodate the smaller class. But that's where you would make the different choices here between personal use and class use. If you go to the personal use ones, I'm going to make a purchase of a personal use one, just as an example here. So if I wanted to buy the History and Geography of the Bible Story digital edition, click on the product, add it to my cart, and proceed to checkout. And here in the checkout, I am currently logged in as Lance at truthbooks.com. I'll select our addressing here as I work through the process. Of course, the address is not going to be important because of the fact that it's going to be a digital product. And for this purpose, I've already saved a payment method so that we can walk right through this. You would enter your payment method of choice here. And I clicked on place the order. I had to select the terms and conditions box. I encourage you to read all the way through that. There's valuable information there. And as soon as I've completed that transaction, it pops up to this screen here. Thank you, Lance. Gives the order number, gives an email where you can reply to us if you have any questions. You can go back to shopping at this point. But for a digital product, this is where it's really key, because right here on your order summary, there is a hyperlink, go to downloads. This is where you want to go to be able to download your digital product. And when I click on that, here's my file, and there's a hyperlink right here to the file, Waldron History and Geography PDF. And now I have access to download that, and you'll see it come up right here in my download window. Okay, so that's how I can download my product. Let me show you, though, another way. Let's say that you accidentally closed that screen and you left the product, too quickly. You didn't mean to do that, but you closed the screen and now you're not there anymore. So if you go back to truthbooks.com, up here on the top column, you have our blog, about us, contact us, and my account. If I click on the my account icon, it takes me right into my orders. Okay. And inside of my orders, I can view, several different lists and such, including account settings, where I could change any kind of information there that I needed to. But for this, we're looking at orders, and here's my order that I just placed. Okay. And I can click on that order, go back into the item, and you see the little download arrow. I can go to this download arrow, and I can get back to this download screen here where I can download the product. So just a quick tutorial to show you how you can access your downloads. A neat thing about this as well, if I go back to my account, is that under orders, if I've previously ordered a digital product, it is still accessible right here inside this screen also. So I can go right back to it, click on the download arrow, and this again takes me back to this individual product where I can download this. It also tells me how many days I have remaining to download this product and how many total downloads that I have remaining. Okay, so we limit those because we also have obviously royalties due and copyright agreements in place on these products. So always be aware of the copyrights and adhere to those. And this information will be helpful to let you see what you have the rights to based on that purchase. So I hope this has been beneficial for you. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at the bookstore by calling 256-232-0565 or send us an email at sales@truthpublications or truthbooks.com, either one, and we'll be happy to help you there. But I encourage you to, again, refer back to this when it comes to how you access your digital products from our website. Hope you have a great day.